Okay, so an adverb is a word that modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb in a sentence. See example, he drove slowly. How did he drive? Slowly. So here slowly is a verb, acts as a verb. Next, he drove a very fast car. How fast the car was? Very, right? So here acts as an adjective. Next, she moved quite slowly down the aisle. How did she move? Quite slowly. Already slowly is an adverb and one more adverb is here, that is quiet. So this is another adverb. This is another adverb. So what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. Okay. Now we will learn kinds of adverbs. First one, adverbs of manner. It shows how an action is done. Some adverbs of manner are loudly, carefully, quickly, heavily, fast, etc. So, adverbs of manner show how an action is done. For example, the soldiers fought bravely. How the soldiers fought? Bravely. You have the answer for the question, how, right? So, this is adverbs of manner. So, what is an adverb of manner? It shows how an action is done. Example, the soldiers fought bravely. How the soldiers fought? Bravely. So, bravely is adverb of manner. One more example. The letter is well written. How the letter is written? Well, right? So, you have an answer for the question, how. So, this is adverb of manner. Next, adverbs of place. It shows where an action is done. Some adverbs of place are here, there, everywhere, somewhere, inside, outside, near, far, etc. So, next is adverbs of place. It shows where an action is done. Place, right? So, where an action is done. See example, the children are waiting outside. Where the children are waiting? Outside. So, this is what? Adverb, and it is adverb of place because it answers to the question where. Okay. One more example. We look for her everywhere. Where we look for her? Everywhere. So, we have an answer to the question where. Okay. So, everywhere is what? Adverb of place. Next, adverbs of time. It shows when an action is done. Adverbs of time show when an action is done. Some adverbs of time are today, yesterday, before, daily, early, immediately, etc. If you find any of these words in a sentence, then you can understand that is adverbs of time. See example, she left early. When she left? Early. So, early is what? Adverb of time because it shows when an action is done. You will get an answer to the question when for adverbs of time. Next, adverbs of frequency. It shows how often an action is done. Some adverbs of frequency are seldom, usually, sometimes, always, once, twice, etc. One example, he seldom comes here. He seldom comes here. How often he comes here? Seldom. Seldom means very rarely. Okay. So this comes under what? Adverbs of frequency. It shows how often an action is done. And some adverbs of frequency are seldom, usually, sometimes, always, once, twice. If you find these words in a sentence, and those are what? Adverbs of frequency. Next, adverbs of degree. It shows the degree or extent of something. Degree means, you know, right? something. They answer question how much. Some adverbs of degree are almost, nearly, fully, completely, very, etc. So see the example. He is entirely blind. How much blind he is? Entirely. So this entirely is what? Adverbs of degree. It shows the degree or extent of something. Okay? And they answer the question how much. If you get an answer to the question how much, and that is what? Adverbs of degree. Next, interrogative adverbs. You know already, right? Interrogative means what? For asking questions. Some interrogative adverbs are when, why, where, how, which, all question words. When did he come? Why did you do it? Where are you going? So if you find these words in a sentence, and those are what? Interrogative adverbs. So once again I repeat, what is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, adjective or another adverb. And kinds of adverbs. First is adverbs of manner. It shows how an action is done. Adverbs of manner show how an action is done. Next, adverbs of place. It shows where an action is done. Next, adverbs of time. It shows when an action is done. Next, adverbs of frequency shows how often an action is done. Next, adverbs of degree shows the degree or extent of something. They answer the question how much. And the last one is interrogative adverbs, and it is used for asking questions. Okay children, I hope you all understood. Now we will move on to the TV exercises. Children, in page number 77, first exercise A main, give opposites of the adverbs given below. First one, kindly. The opposite of kindly is cruelly. C-R-U-E-L-L-Y, cruelly. And second one, sadly opposite, happily. Next, quietly, loudly. Next, politely, rudely. Next, properly, improperly. Next, wisely, foolishly. Next, angrily, calmly. Next, carefully, carelessly. Next, wrongly, rightly. Or correctly also, right. Next, slowly, quickly or fastly. Quickly. Okay children, all of you copy this in your textbook. Next main, pick out the adverbs in the following sentences by underlining them and then tell what kind of adverb is each by writing in the space provided. Some sentences have more than one adverb. So we have to pick out adverbs from the following sentences and you have to underline them and we have to tell what kind of adverb and we have to write in the space provided here. Okay, some sentences have more than one adverb. First one, the workers are waiting outside. Where the workers are waiting? Outside. We have an answer to the question where, right? So that is adverb of place. Next, where did he come from? You know the question word where, so that is interrogative adverb. Next, the sun is extremely hot. How much hot the sun is? Extremely. It shows the degree. Okay, so that is adverb of degree. Next, the old man is totally deaf. How much deaf the old man is? Totally. We have an answer to the question how much. So that is adverb of degree. Next, the smoke rises upwards. Upwards, that is what? Adverb of place. Next, walk forward and then walk back. Forward and back, both are adverb of place. You have to underline this, okay? Next, your watch is not quite right. Quiet is what? Adverb of degree. Next, I hope you will soon be well. Soon, that is adverb of time. Next, we had barely begun the lesson when the bell rang. Barely, that is adverb of degree. Next, they usually go for a picnic on Sundays. Here, two adverbs are there. One is usually and the second one is Sundays. Usually comes under adverb of frequency. So, underline and write here adverb of frequency, and Sundays, that is what? Adverb of time. Next, these cookies are really delicious. Delicious comes under adverb of manner. So, underline delicious. Next, my best friend visits me sometimes. Sometimes, underline, and that is adverb of frequency. Next, my father drives carefully. That is adverb of manner. How my father drives? He drives carefully. So, that is adverb of manner. Next, it rained yesterday. When it rained? Yesterday. So, underline yesterday, and that is adverb of time. Next, the children are playing upstairs. Where the children are playing? Upstairs. You have an answer to the question, where. So, that is adverb of place. Next, C main. Put the adverbs in brackets in the correct position and rewrite the sentences. A few adverbs were given in brackets and we have to put it in correct position and we have to rewrite the sentences. First question is, the poor family gets 2 meals a day. The bracket given only. How can we rewrite? The poor family gets only 2 meals a day. So, write below answer. The poor family gets only 2 meals a day. Next question. You can come first by studying hard. Only given. So, you can write, you can come first only by studying hard. Next, the little girl died in the street accident. Almost. The answer is, the little girl almost died in the street accident. Next, she did well in the examination. Fairly. She did fairly well in the examination. Next, fifth one, she avoids bad companions. Generally. Answer, she generally avoids bad companions. Next, sixth one, he is late for school. Often. He is often late for school. Next, we lost the match. Nearly. We nearly lost the match. Right, children, in your textbook? Next, 8th question. We have found the answer already. How can we rewrite? We have already found the answer. Next, the sun sets in the west. In the bracket given, always. The answer is, the sun always sets in the west. Next, the farmer looked at the sky sadly. The farmer sadly looked at the sky. Next, never speak to anyone rudely. Never speak rudely to anyone. Last one, he has hurt any person. Answer is, he has never hurt any person. So, all of you copy this in your textbook without mistakes. Thank you, children.